It just a make me the mad.
Now why the generator never house this morning, huh?
Let's say for no day inside though.
For no day. Bring one more to go back for. Money no there anywhere. Okay, that's it for.
See fuel.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
What happened now? What the fuel want send you?
Some boy just rob me, collect the fuel wey say make I go buy.
People rob you, collect fuel want send you go buy. Fuel when me send you go buy.
This is a joke, I dey joke.
No wahala.
What? Phone card? Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is where you want to use your life for. I'm going to do manage, you know?